Onyame Beye. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel Boateng. There is a saying that all work and no play make Jack a dull boy, and then all play and no work make Jack a lazy boy. There is time to play and there is time to work. Welcome. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Check the notification so that you will not miss any video from this channel. I'm advising you that take every serious I'm giving you on this channel very seriously. Now quickly, today we are going to look at a beautiful rhythm and then a song from Elder Mireku. It is a very sweet song from Elder Mireku. Onyame Beye. Onyame Beye membambo. Just simple word like that. Onyame Beye membambo. Onyame Beye membambo. That is what we are going to do this time. So to boost our interest on the guitar. So with your acoustic guitar or with your electric guitar, you can just take it and then sit somewhere and then play this beautiful song from Elder Mireku. Let's begin. Alright, so we are going to look at this simple rhythm and then a simple song from Elder Mireku, which is very, very inspirational. We are looking at C major. We are going to use C7. We have already done C7, but still, I want you to just look at it. Your usual C, then you put your forefinger on the 3rd fret of the G string, so making the sound C7, dominant 7th. Then we will use the usual D minor like this, D minor like this, D minor. Okay, my 3rd finger is on the 3rd fret on the D string. My 2nd finger is on the 2nd fret of the G string. My 4th finger is on the 3rd fret of the B string, and my 1st finger is at the 1st fret of the E string. We have D minor, D minor. I hope it is okay, it is clear. D minor, good. And then we will use G major. You already know how to put your fingers on G major. Then we will use G7. Instead of G major, we will use G7 rather. G7. Your usual G major. Then you put your 4th finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, making it G7. All right, making it G7. Good. Before we do that, let us try to look at the super notations of that simple song. Onyame Beye membambo. Okay. Onyame Beye mempa. Onyame Beye membambo. Then it is a call and a response song. Onyame Beye membambo. Then the Onyame Beye membambo. These two, let's look at it. So we have learned the C major scale. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, we have learned that. And then we did it. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Good. As an intermediate player, you know what I'm talking about. This is an intermediate lesson. Beginner, please don't be confused. So there's so Onyame Beye mempa bo. So to so to so to la so re So, to, 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 la, so, re. Okay. So, to, 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 la, so, re. Then they respond. Re, fa, 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 mi, re, do. Let's take it again. So, to, la, so, re. Re, fa, 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 mi, re, do. Have you got it? Once again. So, to, la, so, re. Re, fa, 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 mi, re, do. Very simple. So, like this. Okay, let's take it very slowly. Then we will add something little. So, to, la, so, re. Re, fa, 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 mi, re, do. Now we are going to add the duet. We are going to play it in duets. Okay, let me say that. We are going to play it in duets. We have already learned the so, to, la, so, re. Then re, fa, 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 mi, re, do. So when he calls, so, to, then we play la, do, mi, so, re. Let me take that part again. So, to, la, do, mi, so, re. Then re, fa, 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 mi, re, do. Very slowly, like that. Let's take it slowly. So, to. Then second finger on the A, then the first finger on the C. So we have A is the la, C is the do. So la, do, la, do. Then you bring your second finger on the E. Then you play the E and then the G. Then you release your second finger and you play the D. Again. Once again. Okay. So arranging it and making it more rhythmic, you hear we are getting there. Let's take this part. We are taking them bit by bit. Kakra kakra. So, to, la, do, mi, so, re. Re, fa, 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 mi, re, do. La, to. Okay, sorry. So, to, la, do, mi, so, re. Re, fa, 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 mi, re, do. Like that. Let me organize this part. And then we continue with the chords. this time we are going to play and then add the chords. We're going to play and then add the chords. So we have so to 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 la do mi so re, then re fa. So we are at D minor. So you play re, okay. Then you go to C. Okay, this is okay. Let's take it again. You see, well, you have seen it. So do 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 la do mi so re fa. I am still at D minor, re fa. Okay, still at D minor, but getting my fa over there because of this first finger. But still, it's D minor. Then go to C. C, you play the E, the first E, add it to the C. Then you go to G. Then you come back to C. Okay, so Onyame Beye mempa bo, Onyame Beye mempa. Okay. Yeah, initially you will find some difficulties, but take your time, watch the videos. Take your time, watch the video, you will get it. So let's do it again. This is G7. Then I come back to C. Then I added something. It is chromatic. This is, if this is A, we have B flat. So B flat, A, G sharp, B flat, A, G sharp. Then I added this. I just added. Okay. Like me wo as say the message D minor wa ha no. Say the message D minor wa ha no. Sa pepe na me de ba David me ba. Good. Sa to no see na me see no. To no. Share me third finger no. Me third finger no. I will C sharp you so. That is the sixth fret. The sixth fret on the G string. And then my forefinger is on the sixth fret of the E string. Okay. Then my third finger is on the fifth fret on the B string. Okay. See na me dey ko. See ya me bofra see. Share me say okay. Me bo the same shape. Na masako. Na me ko. Okay. See ya na me bo no. Okay. See ya na me bo no kro. See ya. Now, Obadwin say you may think of where to apply it. It's simple. Let's see where I can fix that thing in. So like this. Then this time I have played, instead of la do, I have played fa la, mi, so, re. When I played this, then I played fa la, mi, so, re. Then I Onyame Beye mempa is my own embellishment. You can also add your own embellishment to beautify it. Okay, so I just want to inform you. Then fa la mi so re fa 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 mi re mi so do re fa 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 so do. I hope you have got everything, and I think I'm not rushing this time. Yeah. Relax. Let me start from the beginning. We did so do do la so re fa 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 mi re do. Then we added the text. We played so do do. Then la do mi so re. Then we played a chord. Then we have done this. Mami Samfan Kahon. All right. I hope it is very clear now. Let us try to enjoy the music whilst you learn. Let's see. Praise God! Onyame Beye. Wow, beloved, I think you like it. If you like it, give a thumbs up. Leave a comment at the comment section. Let me hear from you. Whatever you don't understand, ask at the comment section, and then I will answer you. All right, good. Watch and then share the videos. If you have not subscribed, subscribe and then hit on the notification button so that you'll be updated anytime I record a video and upload on YouTube. On this note, Onyame Beye mem baba. Thank you for watching.